Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the injectors on Toyota Corolla Verso Mark II. We're going to show you why we have to change the injectors. I'm going to disconnect the connector on the first injector number 1. There we go. So that's working fine. As soon as I pull it out, the sound changes. This is the second one. Okay, so that's fine. This is the third one, and this is the fourth injector. When I pull this one out, it doesn't do anything, no difference at all. And that's what our diagnostic test told us, that the cylinder number 4 is misfiring. So I'm just going to turn the engine off to work on the injectors. Right, I'm going to be using number 12 socket to undo the injector rail. It's secured by two 12 mil bolts. Right, when you're working on the injectors, make sure that the engine is ice cold. Just going to disconnect the connectors as well. So it's this injector here. Right friends, this is the injector which is problematic. Right, I've just replaced the faulty one with a new injector, so that's what I've pushed in right now. Just going to connect the fuel supply. Right, now that I've changed the faulty injector, I'm just going to start the car up to see whether uh, uh, it runs better than what it was before. Right friends, the problem is solved now. So now that the car is running smooth, so I'm just gonna put all the components back. Okay, and thank you very much for watching the video.